Good evening. Today is March 30th, 1979, and I'm Marina Cruz reporting to you live from the HNN studios. If you haven't heard already, there has been an accident at the 3 Mile Island in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania.
If you recall, just 2 days ago, there was yet another problem at the same plant.
And now we will question a nuclear engineer, Dr. Cruz, live in the air, on how and why this is happening. Good evening, Dr. Cruz.
Hello, indeed, Ariana, but good it is not.
And that's why you're here now, to explain what happened to the plant on March 28th.
Now that I can do. You see in the secondary compartment, a small valve here failed to close, resulting in the loss of water flow to the main compartment, causing it to overheat. Luckily, there's a system to lower down the pressure and the heat in here, but due to human error, they shut it off, not knowing what was happening. Due to that human error, the temperature started rising rapidly in the main core system, only short 1,000 from reaching a melting point of 5,000 degrees.
And it says here that later that morning, the supervisor decided to shut it down. But why later?
They must have believed the problem was going to fix itself, but they waited until contaminated water started filling into other buildings and radioactive gases were being released inside the plant itself to finally stop everything and restart the pumps. And eventually it became stable again.
But was it?
Not one bit, Ariana. You see, a bubble of highly flammable gas, hydrogen gas, was discovered within the reactor building itself. The bubble of gas was created 2 days before when exposed core materials reacted with the superheated steam. Thus, on March 28th, some of this gas had exploded, releasing a small amount of radiation into the atmosphere.
And that brings us to now. Thank you so much, Dr. Cruz.
Not an issue.
Remember that this situation is extremely dangerous and is not to be taken lightly. As advised by Governor Thornborough, pregnant women and preschool-aged children to leave the area within a few mile radius of the 3 Mile Island facility until further notice. So please, stay indoors and be safe, and stay tuned for more news at 9.
Oh,
Not an issue. The plant to finally, forgetting.
That this is situation...